A little tribe member. Sit down by fire. Today, Gurucha dig deep like mammoth bone hunter. Topic: supply and demand. Biggest rule in trade. Without it, money world make no sense. Why price dance like crazy monkey? Supply equals how much stuff exists. Demand equals how much humans want that stuff. When supply plenty, but demand small, price fall down, seller cry. When demand high, but supply tiny, price explode, buyer cry. This constant push and pull make price move every day. Like tug of war between greedy ape and lazy goat. Economists call balance point equilibrium.
My friends, is equilibrium.
Scarcity, the big scream of economy. Scarcity mean not enough for everyone. Tribe of 50 want goat meat, but only 2 goat legs exist. Suddenly, goat leg not just food, it become treasure. People pay more, trade more, fight more. Scarcity create value. No scarcity, no value. Imagine if air had price. Impossible, because air everywhere. But clean drinking water in desert, now even richest chief beg. Scarcity decide who eat, who starve, who rich, who poor.
Lemonade.
Picture hot summer day. Gurucha make 10 cups lemonade. Suddenly 50 sweaty humans appear.
Get
Each
your
one yell,
lemonade.
me thirsty.
$10.
Gurucha smile wicked. Now $10 per cup. Demand explode. Supply small. Price rise. Tribe called Gurucha evil lemonade lord. Gurucha call it smart economics. Same with firewood. Before winter, nobody buy. Then blizzard strike. Suddenly, every cave family desperate. Gurucha say, price is 3 squirrel skins each.
For 1 log.
Supply same. Demand sky high. Gurucha rich. Lesson: price not about cost of making. Price about how much people willing to pay when they need. When supply or demand shift, this part melt human brain. But Gurucha explains simple. Supply up, price down. Imagine new magic tool, make 1,000 mangoes per hour.
many
Mango flood tribe, nobody want pay high. Price fall, more stuff equals less value. Demand down, price down. Fidget spinners once hot, then tribe board. Demand vanish. Even if warehouse full, price collapse. Seller cry, spinner become free toy and cereal box. Supply down plus demand up equals chaos. Storm cut off grain supply. But tribe still hungry. Price shoot to moon. People panic, money vanish, seller laugh. This triple rule explain 90% of economy. Other 10%, just humans panicking. 5, invisible hand slap. Economy look chaotic. Prices rise, prices fall, but behind chaos, hidden force guided. Smart human Adam Smith call it invisible hand. Invisible hand mean when each person acts selfish, market adjust naturally. Too expensive, buyers stop. Too cheap, sellers quit. Slowly, system balance. Like stomach after bad berry. Ugly, noisy, but fix itself. Smart human not fight invisible hand. Smart human dance with it. Buy winter coat and summer cheap. Sell toy before
Only
Christmas
one
expensive.
left.
That how you save money, earn money, survive tribe economy.
Supply, demand, scarcity, price, invisible hand.
Today you learn, supply equals how much, demand equals how much want, scarcity give value, price rise when many want, fall when nobody care, invisible hand guide balance, even when humans scream. So next time you see eggs cost more than meat, don't rage, just nod wise. Ah yes, supply wrestle demand again. That all. Gurucha vanished now. Poof.